Fast loan advance. Need cash fast, get quick, hassle-free loans with no hidden fees, whether it's unexpected expense or urgent bill. Our fast loan advance offer you the funds you need in record time, apply now, and experience a smooth, transparent process with flexible repayment options. Don't let financial stress hold you back. Get the support you need. So, a fast loan advance is designed to provide immediate financial relief for urgent needs. It offers quick access to funds with a streamlined application process, often without lengthy paperwork, ideal for unexpected expenses or emergencies. These loans come with flexible terms and fast approval, helping you address urgent financial needs efficiently. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into Fastlane Advanced. So as you can see, we have here various things explain how it works with Fastlane Advanced. We have the first one, it's Reddit, then we have Outlook here, back Reddit. But if you wanna loan some money on Fastlane Advanced, all you have to do is here you have various things about yourself. So here we have how much do you need, like, so you choose the one you want. Then the next step we have here your contact email, as you can see. Then you write your email address and then cell number phone here, as you can see. Then we have various things about your personal information, and there is how it works. So by writing this information, all you have to do right now is just search about this fast loan advance, because there is a various things that you have to know it. So the first one we have here, using a fast loan advance typically involves a few straightforward steps. So like assess your need, determine how much money you need and for what purpose. Then we have research lenders, find reputable lenders that offer fast loan advances, compare interest rates, fees, and terms to find the best option for you. Then you apply online or in person, complete the application process. You'll usually need to provide personal information, proof of income, and details about your financial situation. Some lenders allow you to apply online for quicker processing. Then we have review terms. Carefully read the loan agreement, including interest rates, repayment terms, and any fees. Make sure you understand the total cost of the loan and the repayment schedule. Then we have receive funds. If approved, you'll receive the funds quickly, often within 24 hours. The money is usually deposited directly into your bank account. Then we have repay the loan. Follow the repayment schedule outlined in your agreement. Make payment on time to avoid penalties and maintain a good credit history. Then we have the last one, it's monitor your finances. After receiving the loan, keep track of your spending and financial situation to ensure you can manage repayments without additional strain. So by following these steps, you can effectively use a fast loan advance to address your immediate financial needs. Right now, I'll give you some key benefits of fast loan advance. The first one, we have quick access to funds. Fast loan advance provide rapid access to money, often within 24 hours, which is ideal for urgent financial needs or emergencies. Then you have simple application process. The application process is usually straightforward and may be completed online, saving time and reducing paperwork. Then we have flexibility. Many fast loans offer flexible payment terms and amount, allowing you to choose options that fit your financial situation. Then we have no collateral required. Often these loans are unsecured, meaning you don't need to provide collateral to get approved. Then we have convenience. Funds are typically deposited directly into your bank account, making it easy to access and use the money. Then we have credit building opportunities. If you make timely repayments, it can positively impact your credit score, demonstrating responsible borrowing behavior. Then we have transparent terms. Many lenders provide clear and upfront information about interest rates, fees, and repayment terms, helping you make informed decisions. Then we have immediate life. Fast loans can help you address urgent financial issues such as medical expenses, car repairs, or unexpected bills, providing immediate relief and peace of mind. So that's it for this benefits. Right now, I will give you some advices to manage it effectively. So the first one we have here, when using a fast loan advance, consider this pieces of advice to manage it effectively. So the first one is only borrow what you need. Borrow only the amount necessary to cover your immediate expense. Over borrowing can lead to higher repayment amounts and financial strain. Then you have understand the terms, carefully review the loan terms, including interest rates, fees, and repayment schedule. Ensure you understand the total cost of the loan and any potential penalties for late payment. Plan for repayment. Develop a clear plan for how you will repay the loan. Budget for monthly repayments and ensure you have the means to meet them without compromising your essential expenses. Then we have avoid multiple loans. Try to avoid taking out multiple fast loans at once, as this can lead to financial trouble. Then we have check your credit. Review your credit report before applying for a loan. Then we have consider alternative if possible, explore other financing options such as personal savings. Then we have keep track of spending, be cautious with lenders, then plan of emergencies. So if you frequently find yourself in need of fast loans, consider setting up an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses in the future. Then monitor your financial health. So by following these types, you can use a fast loan advance more effectively and avoid potential pitfalls. So you can just read this information like here for Outlook, and we have here also accredit.org. So, and then you will learn various information about fast loan advance and how it works. So using a fast loan advance can be a practical solution for urgent financial needs, offering quick access to funds with minimal paperwork. To maximize its benefits, borrow only what you need. Thoroughly understand the loan terms and plan for timely repayment. Always choose reputable lenders and consider alternative options when possible. By managing the loan wisely and staying on top of your finances, you can address immediate expenses while maintaining financial stability. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. But without forgetting that you have to be attentive with writing your personal information, because it's dangerous and you'll find yourself in trouble when you make a mistake with your personal information. So that's it, guys, and see you again in the next video.